Testing is becoming even more important now that people may need a COVID-19 test to prove they're negative, to avoid quarantines or travel or go back to work. I'm joined by Jack Gartley, a simulation specialist paramedic at Hartford Hospital. Thank you for being with us.
Good morning.
So it used to be that a referral was required. Can anyone get tested for COVID-19 today?
Absolutely. Anyone can be tested. You don't need to have a referral. You don't even need to have symptoms. You can just call our hotline. They'll actually set you up with a location to go to, whatever's closest to you. You can even just come to any of the sites that are testing, and at those sites you can just give them your name, and then we can get you tested that day.
Okay. And for the last 3 months, I know you have been testing people for COVID-19 at Hartford's Healthcare's drive-in testing. How has that worked?
Well, what happens here is you drive up. We do have a line that people will get into. You just follow the signs. Once we get you into the system, what will happen is you'll drive into our tent. We explain the procedure that we're going to be doing, which is just a nasal swab test. And once we do that, we'll swab and you'll be able to leave. It takes actually no time once you're inside the tent.
And so we can just show up to the drive-thrus?
Absolutely.
Okay. And how long until you get results?
Results, we tell everyone it takes 7 days to get the results. The reason for that is we don't know anything about any delays that may come up. We have known that some have come out in as early as 2 days, but we do tell everybody it will take about 7 days to get the results back.
Okay, and you've also gone to homeless shelters, churches, places like that. How important is it to get the testing into the community?
Getting into the community, especially here in Hartford, what we have is a lot of people that are closely packed together, kind of like all the other cities that had explosions of COVID. By getting into that community, we're actually able to test those people a lot earlier. By getting those tests done, we can find out where there might be some hotbeds of COVID, get those people treated so that we don't get any, we can kind of curb this and make it a little bit better for everyone.
Well, thank you for sharing your time with us and letting the folks at home know that anyone can get tested now through Hartford Healthcare.
No, you're welcome.